Alright, so I'm here with my wife, Camilla, and she's videotaping. And so we're going to do solving systems by using substitution. And so we have y equals negative 2x plus 4, and we have y equals x minus 2. And so again, we're going to use substitution, which means that we're going to substitute one of the expressions into the y of the other expression. So what that's going to look like is this is going to be substituted in for this y. So that's going to give us x minus 5 equals negative 2x plus 4. And so again, all I did was substitute this in for this y. And now I'm going to solve for x. Okay, to do that I need to add 2x to both sides. And you could have subtracted x from both sides, but I think this is easier. That goes away. And I get 3x minus 5 equals 4. I need to then add 5 to both sides. That goes away. I get 3x equals 9. And last but not least, I divide both sides by 3 and get x equals 3. Okay, now we're not finished. We just have the x value. Because remember, let me put it right here. Our answer is a coordinate. And so we have the x value, but now we need to find out what the y value is. And to do that, we plug the x value into either one of these equations. I like the first equation because I think it's easier. So let's use this equation. And so now I'm going to plug in 3 for x. So y equals 3 minus 5. And 3 minus 5 is negative 2. So we know that our answer is 3, negative 2. And we can check that by plugging these values in. This is your x and this is your y. Back into both equations to see if they give us a true statement. So let's see what that looks like. How much time we got?
2 minutes and 8 seconds.
Alright, how long can it go?
You can go for it.
Alright, so let's look at the first equation. We have y equals negative 2x plus 4. And so what we're going to do is we're going to plug in 3 for x and negative 2 for y. So negative 2, I just plugged in negative 2 for y, equals negative 2 times x, which is 3, plus 4. And so let's see if that gives us a true statement. We got negative 2 equals negative 2 times 3 is negative 6, plus 4, and negative 6 plus 4 is negative 2. And that is a true statement. So now we need to check to see if the second equation will give us a true statement. So we'll look at y equals x minus 5. Again, y is negative 2. X is 3. And again, 3 minus 5 is negative 2. So we know that we did it right. And again, our answer is there. Let me stop it.